Today, we're excited to introduce the Galaxy Watch 4 series. The Watch 4 combines the most attractive design with the best functionality a smartwatch has to offer. It even gives you the freedom to customize every element. It looks super sophisticated with the signature circular frame of the Galaxy Watch series. Its newly designed strap makes it fit more comfortably and brings the sensor close to your wrist to make health tracking more accurate. Both models of the Watch 4 series come with an incredibly durable strap. It's strong and sweat-resistant, so it'll last through a long workday, an intense workout, and so much more. You can even customize your Watch 4 to express your personal style. If you want to match your watch to your favorite outfit, you can add a personal touch with a choice of colorful straps. And if you really want to stand out, you can pick from more than 40 unique watch faces right out of the box. They're bright and simple, and you can customize them to see the info you need at a glance. With so many designs to choose from, feel free to express yourself any way you want. We're constantly working to bring you better and more integrated experiences. Through our open partnerships with industry leaders, we give you the freedom to use technology without limits and enjoy the best experience possible. As we showed you earlier this year at Google I/O and the Mobile World Congress, we've been working closely with Google to create a new unified platform. Introducing Wear OS powered by Samsung. The Galaxy Watch 4 will be the first ever smartwatch to utilize this platform. So you'll get the best of Tizen and Wear OS all in one intuitive operating system. You'll get seamless access to your favorite Google apps like Google Maps and top-tier fitness apps like Strava, Swim.com, Adidas Running, and Golf Buddy Smart Caddy. On this new platform, you'll also have a better experience with Android smartphones with improved access to apps on Google Play. And even if you don't have a Galaxy smartphone, you'll still be able to enjoy the benefits of the Galaxy Watch 4 series. And this new OS isn't the only breakthrough. We're also bringing you advanced hardware and an even more intuitive user interface, so you can explore amazing experiences with your Galaxy Watch 4. And that starts with the Samsung Health Experience. Oh, it's time for my daily walk. Want to join me? We all want to be the best version of ourselves. Happier, healthier, and more confident in who we are. But the question is, how do we get there? We've always worked to give you the best health experience through our smartwatch. And now, we're taking that mission one step further. With your very own Galaxy Watch 4, you can truly be good to yourself. And what feels better than a good night's sleep? Sleep is essential to our health. The average person spends a third of their life asleep, and the quality of that sleep matters. So how can we make sure we're getting enough rest? For years, our Galaxy consumers have told us how much they love our cutting-edge sleep tracking technology. In the past year alone, they've checked their sleep patterns more than 800 million times. We introduced the ability to measure blood oxygen levels on our previous Galaxy Watch series. Now, your Watch 4 and Galaxy smartphone can work together to track your snoring and breathing patterns continuously, so you can track how much you breathe while you sleep. This means your smartphone detects the sounds of your snores, and your watch checks your blood oxygen levels once every second. That way, you'll know how you've been breathing during the night. Imagine this. You've had a really long day. You fall asleep fast, and you technically get 8 hours of sleep. But somehow, you're still tired in the morning. Because little did you know, you were tossing and turning all night. Now, just check the Samsung Health app on your Watch 4 and Galaxy smartphone. Your breathing and snoring data can help you understand what may be keeping you up, so you can make informed decisions about your sleep to help you sleep longer and better. And today, we're thrilled to introduce another incredible experience that will make your health tracking more holistic. It's called Body Composition Measurement. Body composition shows us what our bodies are made of. Usually, You measure this at the gym or a clinic, but now you can easily check it anytime, anywhere, all with 2 fingers. It's all thanks to a measuring tool called BIA. We've worked to bring this technology to your smartwatch. Let's take a closer look at how it can help you.
Bioelectrical impedance analysis, BIA, is a method of measuring body composition. It uses a weak electric current to find the amount of water stored in the body. If a person has low impedance, the results will indicate there is more water and thus more muscle tissue. Now, why is that important?
The core benefits of measuring body composition is that your weight doesn't reflect the amount of muscle, fat, and water in your body tissues. And by measuring these over time, you can adjust your diet and your activity level to get these measures into a healthy range.
For years, Samsung has been working to make BIA technology more accessible. So we wanted to integrate it with a device that we all use every day, so more people can regularly track their health. At first, we tried adding it to phone cases and wristbands. We even tried to incorporate the technology onto remote controllers. But given how closely body composition is tied to fitness and exercise, we realized that the best device to deliver this technology was the Galaxy Watch. Most body composition analyzers have large electrodes that help improve accuracy by reducing contact impedance with the skin. That's why these devices use our palms and the soles of our feet for readings. But in order to include electrodes in the Galaxy Watch, we needed to drastically reduce the size of the electrodes without sacrificing accuracy. Normally, the larger the electrode, the easier to get an accurate reading. But to give you accurate readings, even with small electrodes on the watch, we experimented relentlessly and devised the best hardware and solution. We developed a circuit with multiple switches, which can open and close in 16 different combinations per tenth of a second. In 15 seconds, Galaxy Watch measures electric currents 2,400 times to estimate body composition. Our new solution analyzes how closely the electrodes come into contact with the skin, as well as the amount of impedance at any moment. So the watch can accurately estimate your body composition. In consideration of technological accuracy and design, we also applied a thin, conductive material to the side electrodes, as well as an ultra-thin chromium silicon carbon nitride layer to the back of the watch. When you wear the Galaxy Watch, the 2 electrodes on the back naturally come into contact with your skin. If you hold the side electrodes of the watch with 2 fingers, the BIA sensors send and receive electrical signals that measure body composition data. The results are undeniable. With a correlation of 98%, Galaxy Watch BIA measurements are as accurate as those from DEXA scans, with gold standard of body composition measurements trusted by industry experts. Samsung always strives to make products that consumers can rely on. That's why we're collaborating closely with many renowned institutions that specialize in body composition analysis to improve our solutions' accuracy and our products' reliability. Contrary to popular belief, health changes, good or bad, aren't sudden. They are gradual, and we hardly notice them as they happen. Galaxy Watch gives you all the tools you need, so you can make positive changes that work for you. And now, with daily body composition measurements at your fingertips, you can meet a better you every day.
With body composition measurement on your Galaxy Watch 4, you'll have access to the health info you need to make informed changes and enjoy a happier and healthier life. We partnered with the world's leading research and medical institutes to test, improve, and verify our technologies. So you can rest assured that your Watch 4 will give you useful and accurate information. We built the Watch 4 with our most advanced health capabilities yet, including Samsung Bioactive Sensor. The Watch 4 series has blood pressure and ECG rhythm monitoring that helps you keep tabs on your body to catch anything out of the ordinary. And now, we're extending these capabilities to even more customers, bringing blood pressure and ECG monitoring to more than 30 countries so that more people can stay in tune with their bodies and stay on top of their health. Your health data, including body composition, blood oxygen, blood pressure, and ECG, is easy to understand on the Samsung Health app. And with all this info available at a glance, it's simple to track your health. Tracking your health is important, but maintaining your health is what makes all the difference. That's why I'm so excited that the Galaxy Watch 4 series lets you choose from a wide range of workouts to find the ones that suit you best and help you reach your health goals. Personally, I love circuit training, but some of you might be lifters or runners or even swimmers. Your Watch 4 will guide you to better health. Some days, it can be hard to stay motivated on your own. Now, you can enjoy team-based competitions on your watch with friends and family. Keep each other motivated, check on everyone's progress with in-app posts and messages, and celebrate your victories with badges and points. Since we introduced team-based challenges this past June, the number of consumers enjoying them has more than doubled. It's an easy and fun way to meet your fitness goals. When I'm fully immersed in my workout or out on a run, I want to stay connected to my music and messages without having to carry my phone. LTE connectivity on the Watch 4 gives you that freedom. You can stream Spotify on your watch, even if you don't have your phone. You can also track your time and map out your routes all right from your wrist. Galaxy Watch 4 series is designed to help you reach your goals and, most importantly, empower you to be your best self. We just walked you through a lot of advanced technology. It may sound complicated, but we've made it easy for everyone to use, even if you've never owned a smartwatch before. That's thanks to our most intuitive user interface yet, One UI Watch. Now, you can more easily navigate your Watch 4 with 2 buttons located on the side. Thanks to its circular design, the Galaxy Watch 4 series delivers unique bezel interactions. Just swipe the bezel like this. You can check notifications and various apps. It's so easy. And now, it's more natural to use the Watch 4, even without swiping. Answer a call by waving your forearm up and down, or dismiss alerts with just a shake of your wrist. Like that. The graphics are impressive and fun, whether you're checking how much water you drank or trying out a nutrition challenge. One UI Watch gives you a more creative and streamlined experience. And with the powerful hardware, from an enhanced display that makes everything look clear and vivid to an advanced new processor, you'll be able to use your Galaxy Watch 4 your way.
Are you ready? Hey now, hey now. Yeah, if you feel it now, then light it up, light it up, light it up. And if you want it now, let's turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Where my people at? Where my movers at? Yeah, let's do it. This is our world. Yeah. This is our life. This is our movement. Yeah. This is our time. This is our time. In a nation. We are young. We are bold. We are strong. In a nation. Powerful. Beautiful. We are one. This is our time. We are young. We are bold. We are strong. In a nation.
Galaxy Watch 4 will help you be good, not just to yourself, but to your community as well. The Global Goals app will be available on Watch 4 with 2 new watch faces pre-installed, so you can stay committed to making a difference, whether you're using your phone or your watch. You can get your own Galaxy Watch 4 from $249 and Watch 4 Classic from $349 starting August 27th. I'm so excited about this new watch. With an amazing design, real-time health tracking, and an easier user experience, these watches will help you define wellness for yourself and embark on a journey to real health and happiness. Using a Galaxy Watch 4 is the best way to live your best life, every step of the way.